If you have aches, pains, or injuries in your lower body, then today I'm gonna tell you how to fix all of them. In fact, I'll share with you how to activate your arches to get rid of foot pain, my 4 favorite stretches for loosening your ankles, the #1 muscle that nobody strengthens that supports your knees. And beyond that, I'll teach you how to activate your quads the right way, how to create flexibility in your knees when you can't squat low, the single best move for people with lower back pain, and so much more. We decided to put together a free masterclass that we're calling the Lower Body Fix Masterclass. Now in this masterclass, I'm gonna go live for at least 60 minutes to go over all of the common movement mistakes that people make with their feet, their ankles, their knees, hips, and even core that can cause pain in your lower body and your lower back, and show you how to fix every single one of them. And our goal is that you walk away from this masterclass with all of the tools that you need to fix your lower body from weak, tight, and possibly even in pain, and transform it into the strong, flexible, and pain-free lower body that you want and that you deserve. This is gonna be a live event that is jam-packed with useful information to help you overcome the obstacles that are preventing you from having a lower body, including a lower back, that actually feels good. And like I said before, this live event is 100% free. All you have to do is click the link below and you can sign up ASAP before the event starts on Wednesday, January 24th at 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oh, and one more thing. When you attend the live event, you'll get to ask me questions directly as I go over all of the movements that I think will help you feel better in your lower body. So make sure you sign up for the live Lower Body Fix Masterclass today, and I promise it will completely change how you feel in your lower body.